Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to talk about essential oils. A lot of do-it-yourself projects will suggest you use essential oils, and essential oils can be used for their scent. They can be used for their therapeutic advantages. There's a lot of different things that you can attribute to essential oils, and I want to hopefully demystify the whole idea of essential oils. Yesterday I was in Target and I was very surprised to find essential oils in their medicine section of their store. So it's a big thing, it's a trend, and you can find them anywhere. If I find them at Target, you can find them online. You can find them on eBay. Now, essential oils, they come in these tiny little bottles. And when you decide which essential oils you're going to use, you do a little shopping, see what your needs are. Okay, here I have peppermint, I have lavender, I have eucalyptus. Now, I've been in the essential oils game for a long time, and not all brands are created equal. Some are stronger, some are lighter. Sometimes you have to be careful. Some essential oils are cut with a carrier oil. Carrier oils are unscented oils, like something very simple as a vegetable oil or vitamin E oil. And it depends on what the carrier is and how much of the essential, that means the pure version of the oil you can find. Here I have cinnamon. And as you see, as I'm going through this, I have different brands here. Here I have lemon. I have orange. When I collect my essential oils, I think of the oils that will be useful for my family and for myself. I use eucalyptus, it's good for colds. I use lavender a lot because it's a soothing, calming oil. Peppermint, I use peppermint along with lavender when I make my hair care products because there's the tingling, cleaning, antibacterial properties of peppermint oil mixed with the lavender. Put it with a vitamin E as a carrier. Wonderful things. Sweet orange and lemon, nice citrus scents. Cinnamon, so many properties. So many valuable properties with that one. Here I have anise. If you're familiar with anise, that's that licorice taste. It's a licorice smell. I have pine. Pine is awesome around the holidays. If you do not have a live tree in your house, but you want to have the scent of pine in your house, this is a really good one. Cedar Wood Oil. Oh my gosh. I bought this at a little store in my neighborhood. It's not something that you can find very often just around. You have to look online. Then I have patchouli and bergamot. I use essential oils to make incense. I use them for topical purposes as far as, aches and pains, to lift a mood, all kind of things. And because I've been with this game for quite a while, and when I say game, I mean I've been studying essential oils for a long time, I have a book here, and books are very helpful. I found this book at a flea market, and it really breaks down. I'll move these aside and give you a hint of what's inside this book. If I wanted to look at, for example, something here about lime. Okay, it gives you the history of it, it gives you the different uses for it. aromatherapy, and it tells you about where it could be distributed, what species it's from. It's so much information in here. And if this is important to you and you really want to heavily get into essential oils and know what the benefits are for you and your family, I would suggest finding a book like this and having it on hand so you can always reference it. If you're not one for books, you can always go online and do a quick search and just say, well, cinnamon, what am I going to use cinnamon for? And you can see if cinnamon is good for whatever ails you or whatever project you're working on, whatever product you're making, if it's a lotion, if it's a cream, if it's just a simple perfume. You can go online and look it up, and that's very simple. But I'm very partial to books because a lot of times a book, before it gets published, it's been researched, and the information here is not going to be based on the whim of someone who just posts something on Wikipedia. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Essential oils, I would say go out there, get a couple, start off simple. I'll say a really great way to start off simple is get you some lavender, and then you can just build up from there. Also, very important with essential oils, if you notice, I have a lot of recipes where it calls for drops. Invest in droppers and get a dropper that is very much dedicated to the oil that you're going to use, because once you start mixing and dipping, you can start changing the scent. So as you can see, this one didn't come with a dropper, and so I will use a separate personalized dropper just to use this, and then we go from there. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want more like these, and until next time.